Okay, screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start with the angles. So what is an angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. So angle is made up of two rays starting from the common end point. It is denoted by this symbol. This is a symbol for the angle. This is a symbol for the angle. So what is the angle? Let us understand this through a diagram. So that has common endpoint. So suppose this is a point. So if I draw a ray like this and this, so there are two rays that are emerging from one common point. So suppose I rename it as A, this as O, and it as C. Any question? I'm not able to understand. What are you saying?
Sir, आप ये डिग्री करा रहे हो?
No, but I am explaining the angles. Angles.
Yes, sir.
So this is called a angle. This is called an angle. Angle is made up of two rays. You can see there are two rays starting from the one common point. You can see these two rays are starting from O. So this is an angle. This is an angle. Angle can be like this also. This is first ray and this is second ray. This is also angle. Suppose this is P, this is X.
Sir, angles के साथ type पढ़े हुए हैं.
Okay. That's great if you have studied earlier. So these are the angles. So how I can name this angle? I will put a sign of angle first. Then this angle will be AOC. That is AOC. We should always keep the vertex in between the two. Or I can name it as angle COA. Similarly, for this angle can be XPY or angle YPX. YPX. This is also true. So these are the names of the angle. These are the names of the angle. Any doubt in this? Yes, yes.
उसमें L तो नहीं है. फिर आपने L क्यों लिखा हुआ है दोनों में?
बेटा this is not L. This is a symbol of angle. ये बेटा L नहीं है, ये angle का symbol है. Okay. This is a symbol for angle. ताकि हमें पता लग जाए कि हम AOC जो है, this is an angle AOC. We will read it as angle AOC. Similarly, angle COA.
तो नहीं चेंज कर सकते जैसे CA को चेंज कर देते हैं.
नहीं, नो बेटा, जहां पे एंगल बन रहा है बेटा, जो कॉमन पॉइंट है वो हमेशा बीच में रहता है. कॉमन पॉइंट हमेशा बीच में ही रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके. सिमिलरली हियर P चेंज नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये सेंटर में है. Either we can read it as COA or AOC. Similarly, XP, YPX or XPY. We will not change P. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now the next point is the two rays forming the angle are called arms or sides of an angle. So these two rays, these are called arms or sides of an angle. So let me show you here with a diagram. So suppose this is an angle. Suppose this is S, this is Q, this is T. So these are the two sides. These, let me draw, use pencil. So okay, here this and this, these are sides or arms. These are sides or arms. and the common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. So this, here I'm writing here, this is the vertex. This is the vertex. Okay. So how I will name this angle? How I can name is angle TQS, angle TQS. This is not L, this is angle TQS, or I can name it as SQT, angle SQT. These are the two sides or the arms, and this is the vertex. Is it clear to all of you? Any doubt in this? So
No, sir.
but here I am writing here, angle is formed by the rays. You can see here the angle is formed by QS. This is a ray, so it will be single side arrow, and QT. Right? Okay, so this was all about the angles. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us move to the next. Okay, so now we have interior of the angle and the exterior of the angle. So now what is the interior of the angle? Interior means
Inside.
that is inside, and exterior means that is outside. Yes. So now if we have an angle like this, suppose we have X, Y, Z. You can name it by any points. Okay. So this is a angle. So what will be its interior? That is inside this angle. This area I'm shading. This area will be the interior of the angle. This area will be the interior of the angle. Because these are between the arms. ये दोनों arms के बीच में आ रहे हैं. So this is the area of the interior of the angle. Similarly, if I talk about the exterior, that will be, if this is angle, suppose now the angle is EFG. You can take any name. So I'm taking EFG. So here the what will be the exterior here? Exterior will be this part. This whole part that is not the interior, that will be the exterior. This part also, this is also the exterior. I think interior and exterior is clear to you. Yes,
sir.
Okay. So all the part that will be the exterior. Okay. So now
Sir,
after
क्वेश्चन वगैरह भी बन सकते हैं एग्जाम में?
प्लीज रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन. क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
सर इस पे कोई क्वेश्चन वगैरह भी बन सकते हैं एग्जाम में? व्हाट इज द
Yes,
इंटीरियर ऑफ?
yes. We are just now we will discuss the questions as well. Okay. So now I am explaining you how the question can be asked through this concept. So first of all, let me draw an angle. Suppose this is the angle. It is A, O, and B. Suppose a point X is here, and C is here, and Z is here. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. And the question is, I am writing the question here, how the question can be asked in the exam. So first A1A is dash is the interior of the angle. Second can be dash is the exterior of the angle. And then can be dash dash and dash are on angle AOB. So now this is the question. A diagram is given to us and we have the question like this. Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you again. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now there's a diagram and we have to tell the points here. So dash is interior of the angle. So now tell me which point is interior of the angle. Which point is X. Yes, X. Because you can see it is in this area. It is in this area. So it is interior of the angle. Second is dash is the exterior of the angle. Z. It is Z. Because you can see it is outside the angle. And third one is dash, dash and dash are on angle AB. Now, which of the points are on angle AOB? Which are points that are A? You can see A is also on the angle. B is also on the angle. And C is also on the angle. A, B and C or A, C and B. These 3 points are on the angle. Which one? Which one?
C वाला
बेटा C वाला देखो ना, आप एंगल कौन सा है यहाँ पे, आप AOB एंगल देखो. अब AOB एंगल कौन सा है, ये वाला. अब कह रहा है कि डैश डैश एंड डैश आर ऑन AB. AOB के ऊपर कौन से हैं? X और Z तो एक तो इंटीरियर में होगा, एक एक्सटीरियर में होगा, लेकिन एंगल के ऊपर कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? इवन कि मैं O भी कह सकता हूं. अब एंगल के ऊपर कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? ये देखो पूरे एंगल के ऊपर है ना, तो ये अंदर है और ना ये बाहर है. सो A, C, O एंड B, ये 4 पॉइंट जो हैं, ये these are on the angle AOB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these 4 points are on the angle. Z is exterior and X is interior. Okay, so these types of question can be asked in the exam. Okay, in which the points are given to us and we have to tell that whether these points are exterior, interior or on the angle. So this was about the angles. Now let us discuss the questions of exercise 4.3. So let us one by one discuss these questions. So first question is, name the angles in the given figure. So now we have to name the angles. So a figure is given to us and we have to tell the angles in this figure. So what are the angles? You can see I can name the angle as DAB. This is also an angle. DAB. DAB. This is also an angle. Now ABC. This is also an angle. ABC. Other can be BCD also. Angle BCD also. Other can be CDA also. So angle CDA also. So there are 4 angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. DAB, ABC, then BCD, then CDA. Or
DCB.
कौन सा बेटा?
Sir, DCB.
DCB, that is the same. I have written here DCB, this. Or you can write it another way. How I can write DAB? DAB can be written as BAD also, angle BAD. You can exchange these letters. You can exchange these, okay? Similarly, or I can write this as CBA.
The DAB.
DAB beta I have written earlier also. This is the second solution. Other can be, now I can exchange these. It will be DCB and ADC. So either you can write this, either you can write this, or you can write this. Okay, you have to write one. It is your wish. How you have to write, it is your wish. But there are only 4 angles here. Either you can write like this or you can write like this.
Sir,
Is it
exam
clear?
में ये सारे ही लिखने होंगे जोन से
No, beta, you have to write the 4 angles. आप जैसे मर्जी लिख दो, आपने 4 angles लिखने हैं, that will be correct. Okay, I am just showing you the way to write. Okay, it's your wish how you have to write. You just need to write the 4 angles here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this was the question number 1. So now let us move to the question number 2. So again, a figure is given to us. A figure is given to us. And let me check the book. I think there is one more point here. Just wait.
Sir, 3.3.
Yes. So there is a point A here also. A, and here it is C. It is C here. I think now the figure is okay. Okay. So again, a figure is given to us, like we have just did the extra question. So a figure is given to us, and we have to name the points in the interior of angle DOE. Now we have to name the points that are interior to angle DOE. So where is DOE? Here is D, O, and E. So here the question is talking about this angle. So can you tell me? Yes,
Sir,
here it is A. So in interior of the angle DOE is point A. So here the answer will be point A. Now the next is in the exterior of angle EOF. EOF. Now where is E? Okay, so here is EOF. You can see EOF. Now here it is talking about this angle, and now we have to tell the points that are exterior. अब इस एंगल से बाहर कौन कौन से पॉइंट हैं? एक तो ये है C, A और D. 3 पॉइंट हैं. So we can write it C, A and D. C, A and D. Right? Because C, we have to see this angle E, O and F. So C, A and D are the angles. Okay, any doubt to anyone, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Ratish, your voice is very low. I am not able to listen. Beta A भी exterior में होगा ना? Why? Because it is not interior. You can see it is outside the angle. So A, D and C are the exterior. Okay, the next one. Next one is angle. Beta, Ratish, your voice is very low. I am not able to understand. Kindly speak loudly. I think Ratish, there is a mic problem. I'm not able to understand. You can message me if you have any doubt. Okay, that is now is on angle EOF. Now we have to name the points that are on angle EOF. अब EOF के ऊपर कौन कौन से angle हैं? Sorry, points हैं. So EOF. So this is the angle. So now we have to tell the points that are on this angle. So first point is E, then B also, then O, and then F.
And
So the points are E, B, O, and
F.
F. Okay. Any doubt in this question, you can ask me in any part. You can ask me the doubts.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Now, okay. So now let us move to the next. Okay. So now question number 3, the last question of the exercise. So the question here is that draw the rough diagrams of two angles such that. So now we have to draw the rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. So now we have to draw the diagram of two angles, but there should be one point should be common between them. One point should be common between them. See how I can draw it. Suppose this is a line. One angle can be drawn like this, and other angle can be drawn like this. The first angle will be this, and second angle will be this. Suppose it is C, it is D, it is A, it is O, and it is D. So here you can see there are two angles, DOC and AOD. So there are two angles here, this angle and this angle. So can you name which is the common point between the two angles? Which is the common point here?
Sir, O.
O. O beta. O is common. DOC and AOD. So O is common here. O is common point between angle COD and angle AOB. Okay, COD, AOD. You can write it in any manner. I'm writing COD and sorry, it will be COD. It is B beta. I cannot repeat the letters because I have used D here. So it will be B. So AOB and COD. So you can write, you can draw any diagram of your choice also, but there should be only one point common here. Here you can see only O is common here, because in the question it is asked that we have to draw the figure like this. Okay, any doubt in A part you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. Ratish beta, I know you are saying something, but your voice is very low. Your voice is very low. You can ask me. No, beta, I am still not be able to hear you. There is a mic problem or something. You can ask me a doubt in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, so now next is two points in common. Now we have to draw a figure such that there are 2 points in common. So now again we have to draw the two angles. So see how I can draw this. This is the first angle, and second angle can be like this. So here suppose this is A, this is O, this is B, and this is C. AOB, BOC. So here, can you tell me what are the common points here between these two
Sir.
angles?
Sir,
O.
O and
Tell me.
Sir,
What are the
O.
two? O and next.
C. Sir, O. No, sir, O and C.
In these angle बेटा, देखो बेटा A O B में तो C आ ही नहीं रहा, A और B में. So O and B are common points of angle AOB and angle BOC. See AOB और BOC, this angle and this angle. अब दोनों में देखो B and O दोनों में कॉमन है, ये देखो OB और BO दोनों में कॉमन आ रहा है. So there are 2 points common here, this B and this O. So this is the diagram for the B part. Again I am saying, if you can draw other diagram, that will be also correct. Okay, but it should have 2 points common in it. It is not compulsory that you have to draw only these diagrams. Okay, you can draw it by your imagination also. Okay, now the next is the 3 points are common. So again, now we have to tell that there are 3 points are common. So I can use the same diagram. What I can do is, I can draw this same diagram. Suppose this is B, this is A, and this is O, and this is C.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन रुक गई.
Yes, sir, अब start हो
Okay,
गया.
okay, I will show you again. Is it okay now?
Yes sir.
Okay. So now
Now it is okay.
I have drawn the same figure like this here. Again, I will talk about this angle. So we know that this figure has 2 common points. But if I can take extra point here, suppose this is the point E. Now there will be 3 common points. So here O, E and B. O, E and B are common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. You can see AOB and BOC. These are common points are B, E and O, or O, E and B. So these are the common points. 3 common points. Any doubt in this, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. So now let us move to the next one. Now again 4 points in common.
सर थर्ड वाला मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Beta, you can see here. Who is speaking? Tell me your name.
Sir, Karajdeep.
Okay, Karajdeep. Okay, Karaj, here you can see this is a diagram. I am talking about the angle AOB, and BOC. I am talking about angle. You can see what are the common points here. AOB और BOC में कौन कौन से कॉमन पॉइंट है? ये देखो B कॉमन है, E कॉमन है और O कॉमन है. You can see AOB में और BOC में क्या कॉमन है? ये चीज कॉमन है ना दोनों में. So you can see the points B, E and O. These 3 points are common. दोनों एंगल्स में जो कॉमन पॉइंट है वो तो ये तीनों हैं. So that's why I have written O, E and B are common points between AOB and BOC. So this will be the answer of part C. Still
Okay, sir.
go through this once after the class. You can ask me a doubt afterwards also. So again, now here is 4 points are common. Then again I can do the same thing. I will draw the same diagram and I will put one more point on the angle. Again see, I am drawing the same diagram. I am drawing again and again. It was AOB and then BOC. So here again it has two common points. If I draw one more point, now it has three common points. If I draw one more point, now it has four common points. You can see BEFO. These 4 points are common between this angle and this angle. 4 points are common. So I can write it as B, E, F and O. B, E, F and O are common points between angle AOB and angle BOC. So these 4 points are common between these two angles. Any doubt on this you can ask me. No? Because I am drawing the same diagram again and again, I am just adding the points on this ring. If the question is of 5 points in common, I can take one more point here. If it is 6, then I can take one more point. So we can add the points to this ray. Okay, so last question of today's exercise, that is one ray is common. Yes, Seta.
सर जो इनमें कॉमन पॉइंट्स होते हैं ये वही होते हैं जो जैसे ओ की लाइन में जो आ रहे हैं, जैसे एफ पी बी, तो वही सारे कॉमन होते हैं।
बेटा ये डायग्राम पे डिपेंड करता है बेटा, आप खुद दिमाग लगाओ ना। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ AOB एंगल की, इस एंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ, और फिर मैं BOC की बात कर रहा हूँ। AOB एंड देन BOC. सो यू कैन सी ये वाले पॉइंट दोनों एंगल्स में काउंट हो रहे हैं। ये वाले जो पॉइंट्स हैं ये दोनों एंगल्स में काउंट हो रहे हैं। ओके, सो दिस विल बी द कॉमन पॉइंट। मैक्सिमम टाइम पे ऐसा ही होगा कि द जो कॉमन रे, द रे विच इज इन बिटवीन द टू रेज, that will have the common points. जो रे बीच में होगी, that contains the common points. Okay, so the last one part is one ray is common. So again I can draw the same diagram. Now I have to draw two angles here. Again I am drawing the same figure that I have drawn earlier, AOB and BOC. So can you tell me which is the common ray between these two angles? Common ray कौन सी है बेटा? Anybody? OB. Yes. So here you can see the ray OB. Ray, we have to put the symbol of single sided arrow. So ray OB is common between the angle AOB and angle BOC. So it is common between AOB and BOC. So this is the common ray. Okay, this was the E part. Any doubt in this you can ask me.
No, sir.
No?
सर टू रेज कॉमन हो तो फिर क्या करना चाहिए?
टू रे कॉमन चाहिए बेटा।
यस सर, तब क्या होगा?
Okay, let us try out that. Let me search for the blank page. Just wait. Okay, I will draw here. So who is asking the question?
सर आपकी स्क्रीन से पॉज होगी।
Pause हो गई?
Sir, no, your screen is not pause.
Okay, okay, just wait, I am presenting again. Who has asked me the question? Can you tell me your name?
Khushpreet.
खुशप्रीत. ओके ओके खुशप्रीत, आपने बोला कि अगर दो रेज कॉमन है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये बताओ कि एक एंगल में कितनी रेज होती हैं वैसे?
एक एंगल में
2 रेज होती हैं, है ना? 2 रेज होती हैं। तो सपोज मैंने ये 2 रेज बना दी ऐसे करके, सो हमारा एक एंगल बन गया। अब मैंने एक और एंगल बनाना है ऐसा ताकि उसकी भी यही कॉमन रेज हो। हमने 2 रेज कॉमन करनी है तो बेटा वो एंगल यही बनेगा, वो यही एंगल होगा दोबारा। जो दूसरा एंगल बनेगा वो यही बनेगा। 2 रेज कॉमन कौन सी होंगी? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है बेटा, 2 रेज कॉमन हो ही नहीं सकती, वो एंगल ही सेम होंगे। अब ये देखो, अब मैंने ये 2 एंगल बनाए हैं, ये 2 एंगल हैं, अब इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, राइट? अब मैंने ये एंगल बना दिए, एक एंगल ये हो गया और दूसरा एंगल ये हो गया। अब इसमें क्या कॉमन है? इसमें एक रे कॉमन है, लेकिन दोनों रे तो कॉमन हो ही नहीं सकती है ना बेटा, क्योंकि 2 रेज से तो एंगल बनता है। अब एक रे मैंने एक एंगल मैंने ऐसा बना दिया। अब अगर मैंने दूसरा एंगल बनाना है वो इसके ऊपर ही बनाना पड़ेगा, तभी 2 रेज कॉमन आएंगी। ओके
सर।
हाँ, तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि हम 2 रेज कॉमन वाला कोई 2 एंगल्स बना सके। 1 रे कॉमन हो सकती है, कोई भी रे कॉमन नहीं। यस, टाइम इज ओवर. Yes, you can leave. Thank you so much.
Bye sir, have a nice day.